And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixerwars, and welcome to an episode of Mixerwars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the HG Gundam Seed Strike Rouge plus IWSP, the very first MSV or what do you call that, mobile variant for the Gundam Seed universe. So right off the box, we see Strike Rouge here. Of course, this is still the same Strike that Kira piloted, but only with a lower phase shift energy, and Kagali was piloting it. Yep. And like I said, this is the first MSB 01. Yep. So off to the side, view, review, action, Strike Rouge here, and also the personal mark of orb is there. Off to the other side, we see Kagali Ahla and some description of Strike Rouge, but not without the IWSP. Or personally, I didn't see it in the anime nor in the remakes. But anyway, open up the box, we see one bag with a multicolor runner. Of course, I think this is just the same as the Strike, but with only some colors different. So we see pink instead of the blue, I guess, or red. Yeah. Oh, sorry. The pink is the red. The red is the blue, something like that. So that's one bag of the multiple screws. Second bag, we see all gray and some ABS plastic. Second bag, we see the white is now tinted with pink, and of course another multicolor screw, and of course the instruction manual, which is way back, and it's very simple. Yeah, see, like I said, it's still from the L Strike Gundam, but only with different color swappings. So let's take a look individually at the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue here, which is, like I said, coming from the L Strike, 1/144, where some colors have been swapped. The pinks, the reds over pink, and then the blue became the red. So this is for the A sprue. We also have the B sprue, which is also coming from the L Strike Gundam, where most of the white color right now is tinted with pink, because Strike Rouge. Then we have a new sprue, which is this one, the E sprue for the IWSP. So most of these parts is for the IWSP, and this is already really molded for the Strike Rouge IWSP. Lastly, no, actually second to the last, we have the F sprue, which is also still part of the IWSP, molded for that only. We also have these guys again, the ABS plastics. Yep. For the joints, we have stickers, mostly white stickers, but there are other color applications for that actually. And of course, some personalized sticker for Kagali Asla. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG Gundam Seed MSV01 Strike Rouge plus IWSP. Yes, this was released 2004, and because of Gundam Seed Freedom, if you see again in the box art, they updated it. The Bandai logo is already in the blue color, and of course they have the Bandai Namco right here. And it's pretty much I think the box is updated. How they made the sprues is also updated, but still using the old sprues, but just the technique has been updated. And yeah, I did bought this before, but I butchered it, so seeing another opportunity to recreate it or build it again in a much better way actually. So here we go. And this is Mixerwars saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, liking the videos, hitting that notification bell, and until next time, see you and thank you.